I want you to use IBLE as the ending of the word. How many words can you form with IBLE? There's another word, plausible. Plausible is it is legible. My handwriting is legible. There's another word,
Okay.
illegible.
The
Opposite. Tangible. You know what
tangible.
tangible is? Tangible is most of the words you formed with IBLE can also be made ITY. If you spend a little time, you will get at least 15 words. I'm telling you. You know it. It's just that you're not recall.
Not
There are many, many Indian words which are used only by Indians
okay.
between themselves.
Hello, sir. Good
Hello.
morning.
Good morning. Just a minute, Mansi. I think there's too much of sun. Yeah, it's better. Yeah. How you been?
I'm on my good path in life. I'm doing productive things. I'm learning and I'm teaching good values of life to my kids. So this is amazing. I can consider.
Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. I like
Mhm.
your positive vibe. You know, you have a the way you present yourself is very positive. Tell me, Mansi, as a person, right? When you get up in the morning, what is your thinking?
So when I wake up, before telling this answer, I would love to say when I go to the bed at night, at that time,
Yeah.
I think my whole day. I recall my whole day in my mind, and I talk to my soul. Did I do some productive work or not? Did I do some good thing for others and for with me also? I every day I think the same. I don't know why this question come to my mind every day. And when I wake up early in the
Mm.
morning at daytime, I think like what I'm going to do today. I don't want to feel lazy because if I feel lazy, I don't want to do anything else. I just want to take rest whole the day. So I don't want to do that. I want to feel fresh and I want to start my
Yes,
day
yes.
with full energy. This is what I really want.
Mm. Do you have a no? Looking at you and your positive vibe, as I said, do you have a what is it? Exercise regime or something you follow? You keep yourself active with body and
Previously,
mind.
I used to go daily for taking walk and doing yoga, but my routine can be changed within within month, like many times it can be changed. Sometimes I do exercise on that, like running.
Okay, good. Keep your no. You need to keep yourself. Physical exercise has a bearing on mental health.
Yes,
In the sense, if you go for a long walk or a run, depending on what you want, go outside in the somewhere where you
fresh
can
air,
walk or freshen up. When you come back, you do feel a little bit
energetic.
regenerated and yeah,
Yes,
yeah, yeah. Since you
Mhm.
spend most of your time on the
Screen
laptop
all the time.
or you're doing your YouTube or whatever, it's also good
Mhm.
to. I find the same thing. I'll tell you honestly. I spend about 6 hours a day teaching. Okay,
Okay.
morning and night. So I do both English teaching as well as IELTS, and I'm getting busier
Wow.
by the day. I noticed hmm,
Hmm.
because there's more demand and more people, more students, and all that. But I also need to get out of home. You know,
Yes, seriously.
get out of your room and get out of your laptop, get out of your screen, go outside, enjoy the sun, talk to a few people. Small things. It doesn't matter.
Yes.
Say
So do
hello
you
to
go?
maybe I do. I do. I go and play TT every day. I've got a club next to my where I stay. So I go and
Okay.
play not because I have to play, but besides the physical thing, it's also interacting with people. A few
Mhm.
laughs, laugh about something, joking, playing, competitive spirit,
Yes,
all that,
this is very
matters.
important.
And then I come back by 8:30. I'm back on my desk, and I finish at 10 in the night. So there's not much time
Okay.
except in the weekend, one day.
Hmm.
It's important to do other things, to
Yes.
take your mind off. It helps. How long do you spend on the screen every day?
Previously, I used to start my day with my classes at 9 a.m. in the morning, and it used to go around 9 p.m. I used to end up with my session around 9 p.m. But it was too hectic, so that's why I just made timetable for me that from 2 o'clock I will start my teaching career, teaching
Mhm.
only. And if I want to have sessions, so in morning, like I have 9 to 12 or 1 p.m. I have this time in which I can have session for myself and for teaching from 2 p.m. and to 7 p.m. I just teach.
Mm. Fair enough. That itself is 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. is 5 hours,
Yeah,
right? Plus some other, you're coming
if
on
I
this
want,
class and
if I
if
feel
you
having
want.
session.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. Because once you have a son, right? Hmm.
Yeah,
Once
I
he
have two sons.
two sons. So when they come back home, you need time with them.
Yes, of course.
Okay, my question
Actually,
to you,
my
and I want
husband,
tell me.
actually, my husband is also a teacher. He's PGT physics in Kendriya Vidyalaya. So when my children come from their school, so he also is there with him. So that's why I don't
Uh,
want to do much thing for them. After that,
okay,
he manages.
he manages. Good, good. I mean,
He
you have to
manages.
share. You have to
Yes.
share the load these days,
Okay.
right? Now, the question I want to ask you, and I want to speak to for you to speak about it is, what is your reading of work-life balance, and why is it so important today?
Reading and work life. What
No,
is your
no.
question, sir?
Speaking about work-life balance, what do you, how do you balance your work and life with your husband,
Oh.
family, and why is it important today more than any other time?
Nowadays, everything is too expensive, so working is really very important. Without working anywhere, we can't have money, and if we don't have money, we can't fulfill anything, any desire of our kids. So, working profession is really very important for everybody. And if we can't go outside to work anywhere, we can start working online. Nowadays, everything is available online, so we can do so many things. And if I talk about my life, so how do I manage? So in the morning, I just try to do things for myself, and there is no disturbance at home, so I can peacefully learn whatever I want to learn. I can peacefully do whatever I can do. And after 2 o'clock, it is also a peaceful time because
Hmm.
my husband is there to manage and to help me to take care of my kids. So that's why at that time also I can take my classes peacefully and so in this way, I manage, and at night we cook together and we have dinner together and we spend time. And if there is holiday, then we don't want to do anything else. Like I don't want to take classes. I don't want to have any session. I just want to spend time with my family. And if it is possible, so we love to go outside. If weather is good, then we love to go out.
Why is it so important to have, instead of work, 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 you're earning you because you're
Because
working, you're
nowadays we can say our mental health is so fragile. So to keep it calm and to keep it stronger, so we need to go out also, and we need to spend time with family and with loved ones. Because if we are happy, then we can manage everything. And if we don't have money, but if we are happy, then we can still manage in that situation also. Because if our mental health is good, our physical health is good, then we can do everything peacefully. So that's why we want to spend time with family, with loved ones. We want to go out. We want to do shopping and everything.
yeah, great,
So
of
this
course,
is
of
what.
course.
Mhm.
One of the things I found with young people was, uh, even if they have free time with each other, let's say husband wife, okay, or even among, uh, you know, uh, irrespective of the age, these days spend a lot of people spend too much of time on the screen.
Okay, no. In my family, there is no timetable for screen because neither my husband are fond of watching a movie or TV. We don't like to watch. And if I talk about my kids, so they are kids and they are very small. They love to watch cartoons and sometimes funny things in TV and in the mobile. So they do sometimes, but not every day, and not like they do not have routine for this also because I do not allow them to spend time with the screen all the time, like because it is not good for their health and for their
Mhm.
eyes especially. And if they watch one thing regularly, so they can think only about that thing. Their mind will start thinking limited. And
Yeah,
if they experiment things, sometimes they are watching something, sometimes they are watching how to experiment, and sometimes they do at home, in kitchen, in washroom, with Colgate, with toothpaste. They do experiment. This is what we want them to live life because they must. have good knowledge and experience about different things. I want them to watch cartoons all the time. So I never allow them to watch cartoons all the time. Sometimes
It's
I scold
wonderful.
them badly.
How old are they?
My elder son is 10 years old, my younger son is 5 years old.
Okay, so the difference is 5 years between them.
Mhm.
No, that's good. It's wonderful to hear that because uh, that is the age when they normally get addicted to using a phone because
Yes.
these phones are made for young people.
Mhm.
They keep scrolling and watching. The techniques are used to attract people to watch YouTube
Hmm.
or cartoons and things like that. And I find many parents taking the easy way out
Yes.
by giving the phone to them and like kilne do, let him spend
Hmm.
time. So
It's
I
not
have time,
good.
and that is
In this way, they can learn anything because nowadays we all can see crimes are increasing day by day. And from where we are getting ideas? From web series, from cartoons. Like in so many cartoons, they teach unnecessarily anything. And in movies also, in day-to-day, like reels also, so many creators are there. They create unnecessary content. So I do not want my kids to watch all these things which are not really important in life because so that we can get many ideas, we can do this thing, and nobody will get to know which I did in
yeah,
my life. So it's not good.
and the
And they
human
have
mind.
timetable. And I
Yeah,
have two mobile phone. They can't touch my phone. Like they know password. They can use that, but for their study only. They can't see any. They can't watch any reel. They can't scroll my phone to time pass only. I
yeah.
don't allow them to do this thing.
You just use the word time pass.
Yes.
It's a very Indian word. Hmm?
Oh yes.
The actual word, I mean, nothing wrong in using time pass because Indians understand. The actual word in English for time pass is pastime.
Past time. Yes, I know, sir.
Okay, now, no, I'm just coming to one point. There are many,
Mhm.
many Indian words which are used only by Indians
Okay.
between themselves. Okay, uh,
Uh-huh.
one of them is time pass. Okay, the other
Mhm.
is they say, for example, you would say, uh, "Have you any issues?" What does it mean?
Yes. Do
Uh,
you have any problem?
that is the actual meaning. But in Indian
Okay.
context, "Have you any issues?" means, "Have you
Oh,
had
yes,
children?"
yes. Yes, 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 yes.
But it is only used in India or
Indian.
among Indians. It is known as
Hmm.
Indian English, or sometimes they
Okay.
say Hinglish. English is Hindi and
Hmm.
English, right? So
Yes.
there are a lot of words which are used in time pass is one of them.
I
The
don't
actual
want them to pass their time.
what do you do in your how do you pass your time? I read. How do you pass
Um,
your time? I listen to music. You
okay.
okay. I have an pronunciation come vocabulary exercise which I
Okay.
want you to try. Hmm? I'll
Yes, sir.
use the chat box. I hope you're able to see it. Otherwise, I will tell you. I'm going to put a word there. Box.
IBLE.
Okay.
IBLE. What is that?
I want you to use IBLE as the ending of the word. Okay.
Oh,
Any word which ends with IBLE, I'll give you an example,
okay.
is how many words can you form with IBLE? I can also help you
Sensible.
in the
Sensible.
yes, perfect.
Sensible. And principal. No, no, no. P
No,
is there. Mm,
P. No, no, not principle. I'll give you two words which will add to
okay.
the momentum. One is credible.
Credible.
One is incredible.
Credible.
Okay, all end
Hmm.
with IBLE. Now think. Now think of other words.
Credible, incredible, and possible,
Yes,
impossible.
yes.
Not getting.
Yeah, think. It'll take a little more time, but think. You will get.
Hmm.
Did you say sensible? You did.
Sensible. Yes,
Yeah.
first word.
Uh, there's another word, plausible. Plausible is a reason you can understand. He's giving a plausible reason why he didn't come
Okay.
to office. That means you can
Mhm.
understand maybe his mother's not well, maybe he had some other issue, but
Hmm.
plausible is a
Possible.
PLAUS. PLAUS, PLAUSIBLE. Plausible is a reason he's given. Good reason, sensible reason. That is plausible. Then there is
Plausible.
flexible,
Yes, flexible.
inflexible,
Inflexible.
opposite of.
Credible.
Yeah,
Incredible.
yeah,
Negative.
exactly. So
Mm.
if you spend a little time, you will get at least 15 words. I'm telling you, you know it. It's just that you're not
No,
recalling
I'm
it.
not getting. Yes,
Yeah,
recalling.
legible. What is legible?
Legible.
You can read.
Yeah.
Legible. It's easy to understand the word. If I write a word, it is legible. My handwriting is legible. There's another word,
Okay.
illegible,
Your
opposite. That means
handwriting is
you write something,
illegible.
I can't
Illegibly.
understand. What did you?
Okay.
Exactly. So legible, illegible,
Mm.
tangible. You know what
Tangible.
tangible is? Tangible is
Yeah.
you can measure it.
Okay, tangible.
You can measure the height, measure the depth. It's a tangible solution. So he gave me a tangible
Tangible.
solution to the problem. That means
Mm.
measurable kind of thing, tangible.
Tangible.
So if
Okay.
you spend a little time and you keep writing down, you will get words, more and more words. And then the idea is to use it in sentences when you can, so that
In next
your
class, I will tell you 15 or 10 words in next class.
yeah, but don't Google.
I have to think only.
Then Googling even I can
Okay.
do. Googling I
Yeah,
can do.
anybody can do.
Anybody can do. So think you're the Google and think
Mhm.
about words which you normally you will know somewhere at the back of your mind.
Okay.
A mind gets lazy. When you get lazy, you tend to
Mm.
let me not think. Leave it. But when you think, we are using a very small part of our brain. But if you think a little carefully, okay, spend another 10 minutes, you will get more words. I will get, I'm sure about it because it just keeps coming back all the time. So,
You are
uh,
genial person, this.
no, senior means I should forget.
Genial, not senior,
Huh.
genial.
No. It's just that you have to think. I mean, your English is not bad. It's not that you
Mm.
don't know English words, but uh, you can think you will get. Because I try with these words, like IBLE is one of them. Another one I'll give
Okay.
you, you work on yourself. Ends with ITY.
ITY,
Think about two words.
ability,
Ability. Yeah.
possibility,
Yes.
uh, credibility, no,
Credibility. Yes. Yes.
credibility, and
Yes.
possibility, and punctuality,
Yes.
and
Husband and wife.
durability,
Durability. Husband and wife who
durability,
agree with each other.
con-
It's called
mm,
compatibility.
compatibility, yes,
Compatibility.
compatibility. Yeah, I need to think more.
I'll give you a hint. Most of the words you formed with IBLE can also be made ITY.
ITY,
Credibility, impossibility, possibility, and everything you
yes,
make with IBLE can be converted to ITY.
yes,
You know,
okay,
another word you can think of ITY, uh, sensibility,
sensibility, yes,
electricity,
electricity,
which is around you. So again, you think you'll get much more words. So both
yes,
these IBLE and ITY form your own sentences. Be honest to yourself. Don't Google
yes.
and just do it. You will find 15, 20 words coming out of it. You can even ask your husband.
Yeah, I will ask only. I will not Google.
Don't Google. No, I mean,
Yes,
Google anybody can do. It's not a big thing.
yes,
Why I do
mm,
in classes, otherwise I can tell you, Mansi, just go and Google.
yeah.
First, first is the word. Second is the meaning.
Mm,
Third is the context. How do I use it in a sentence? So if you make
mm.
40 words together, altogether, IBLE and ITY, you give me the meaning next round and form sentences of your own. How do I use it in my day-to-day, you know,
Life,
life? Can I use credibility? Can I use agility? Can I use
agility.
compatibility? Whatever, opportunity.
Yeah,
It's all words. And if you can, that's how you improve your vocabulary. And
vocabulary.
if you improve your vocabulary, you sound different.